Line to center field, in for a base hit. From third base comes Coco Crisp. Behind him is Lowry, and it's now a 2-run game. Here come the Athletics, who scored twice with 2 outs here in the ninth.
They will not quit. They're going to get the tying run at the plate. Once again, Cespedes gets a fastball middle, and he doesn't try to crank it. He just hits this ball a bullet to center field.
Short and quick to the ball, wasn't trying to do too much, and he delivers the base hit, and all of a sudden Seth Smith is at the plate representing the tying run.